If you're wondering how to handle email unsubscribes without hurting your deliverability, this quick tutorial is exactly what you need, especially if you want to avoid common mistakes that silently tank your sender reputation. Stick around, because I've tested all the most popular email marketing platforms, and I'll share the one that handles this best, with an exclusive free trial just for viewers of this channel. You'll find it in the description below. Let's get straight to it. First, do not manually delete unsubscribers from your list. Most beginners think that's the cleanest way, but it actually causes more harm than good. Why? Because if someone unsubscribes and you remove them without marking them properly, you risk accidentally emailing them again. That's a fast track to spam complaints, and that directly impacts your deliverability. Instead, you need to let your email marketing software handle unsubscribes automatically. Every major provider, like the one we're using today, has built-in unsubscribe handling that marks the contact, keeps them on your list as unsubscribed, and ensures they never get emailed again. This is critical to protect your domain reputation. Now here's something most people overlook. Always include a visible and easy-to-click unsubscribe link in your emails. If users can't find the opt-out option, they'll mark you as spam. One spam complaint is worth way more damage than 10 unsubscribes. Clean unsubscribes are healthy. They signal to inbox providers that you respect user choice, which actually improves your deliverability. Also, avoid trying to win them back during the unsubscribe process with a bunch of extra clicks or confusing surveys. Make it smooth. A simple one-click opt-out is ideal. Some platforms let you offer a preferences center to reduce frequency instead of full unsubscribing, but don't make this mandatory. Giving users control earns trust. One pro tip: always segment your active list from your unsubscribed list. Never just delete unsubscribers from your CRM or email software. Let the system keep a record. That way, if they resubscribe later, it's all clean, and you can prove compliance if needed. If you're running automations, make sure your flows stop as soon as someone unsubscribes. Good software handles this automatically, but double check. You don't want a lead nurturing sequence to keep firing after someone's opted out. Lastly, be proactive. Monitor your unsubscribe rate regularly. If you notice a spike, look at your recent subject lines, send frequency, or list source. High unsubscribes usually mean you're sending the wrong content to the wrong people too often. Key takeaway: unsubscribes aren't the enemy. Poor handling of them is. Done right, unsubscribes can actually boost your email deliverability by keeping your list clean and engagement high. Quick recap: never delete unsubscribers manually. Use your email platform's unsubscribe system. Make unsubscribe links clear and easy. Avoid spam triggers by respecting opt-outs. Stop automations immediately upon unsubscribing. Monitor and learn from unsubscribe rates, and remember, if you want to follow along or test the exact software I recommend, there's an exclusive free trial in the description, just for viewers of my channel. You won't find it anywhere else. I'm Dan Thorne, and if this helped, check out my other quick tutorials. But most importantly, go grab that free trial below and handle your unsubscribes the right way.